Dear friends, sometimes we want to transfer our files from our mobile storage to our SD card or USB drive. For example, we select this video file and we want to copy it to our SD card or USB drive. Select other location and SanDisk USB drive. Go to this drive and paste here. You can see there is a message cannot find target path. We click on stop. You can see that our file is not moved to our SD card or USB drive. What is the reason? Just click on our file and click on more and go to rename. If we want to remove this word, the last letter 2K, remove these letters and rename it. Click on OK. You see another message, these symbols are not supported. This message says that we cannot use these symbols in rename. For example, this one, this one, this one are not allowed. If we remove the full name and we give it a simple little name video that don't have any letter, just click OK. See, our file has been renamed. Now copy it to our SanDisk hard drive and paste here. See, our file has been copied. The reason of not being copied is that the file have very big name like this and it have character that is not supported by SD card format. So please rename the file and give it a little simple name without any character. Thank you very much.